and welcome to today's video. Ryder, where are we?
EPCOT.
EPCOT. He did not know this morning when he woke and went to school. He did not know we were coming to EPCOT. It is Thursday, February 12th, and we are at the EPCOT Moonlight Magic for DVC. So we just got here. It's about almost 7:30. We could have entered at 7 o'clock. We picked him up from school a little early, drove up here, got here just before 6, and we're staying at our home resort, Saratoga Springs, and now we're at EPCOT. So we could drive here, we parked here, and now we're just going through security. So the party actually starts at 9:30. They're gonna have fireworks for DVC at 11:30. Yeah, we're excited because what are we gonna ride for the first time?
Test Track New.
Yeah, I guess it's 3.0. I think it's Test Track 3.0. But anyway, excited to be here. Here we go. Welcome home, members. So, Spaceship Earth is a 10-minute wait, and it's 7:30 now. So we're gonna go to Figment first. We're gonna try and do the things that have a short wait, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Test Track's like 80 minutes. Cosmic Ray went to 85. Because we didn't have park tickets, we couldn't get lightning lanes or anything. So, but we're gonna go to get Figment first. That's always a fun ride, and we love it. There it is, Journey into Imagination. I know everybody says it sucks, and it's not as good as it was, but it's still good. 3. Thank you. So we just left Figment. It's fun. And now we're headed back to the seas with Nemo, because we're just trying to do everything that's like a 5-minute wait. And as we like to call it, the EPCOT ball. We know it's Spaceship Earth, but we call it the EPCOT ball. The seas with Nemo and friends. Oh, there they are. So one of the ladies downstairs just told us that they just got these sea dragons. That is really cool.
Right, isn't that cool?
They actually just got these in recently. That's really cool.
Hell yeah.
They do look like dragons.
Yeah.
We're off to Soarin', and it's only a 15-minute wait. Hey, Ryder. Ryder. What's up? Ready to ride Soarin'? We just got out of Soarin'. We hadn't ridden it in a long time. I don't think we rode it the last time. Ryder sometimes wants to skip it, but it was great. And so now we got 3 snack tickets per person. So a lot of the places close at 9:30 or 10. Sunshine Seasons closes at 10. So we're gonna come here and use some of our snack credits. And let's see what we can use it on. So it's anything that has a snack sign to it, and I am gonna get some fruit. So Ryder's getting chocolate croissant. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. And I'm only letting him get it because it's free.
Yeah.
What was your free chocolate croissant? Does it taste good, or does it taste better because it's free? Tastes better because it's free. You are definitely my child. So we just came out of Soarin'. We had some Sunshine Seasons. Had some snacks. They were doing the fireworks. Oh, there's the fireworks. There it is. Fireworks are on.
Fireworks.
So that's the regular show. I guess it's luminous. I don't remember. We haven't seen it in a while. And yeah, we're gonna go see what we do. But because the park is closed now and the party hasn't started at 9:30, the times aren't showing up on the app. So we don't know how long the wait times are, so we don't know where we're going. We got in line for Duffy around 9:10, and it's 9:30 now. They just opened and Duffy's here. So we just got in. Line didn't actually get too long, so that was good. But he's meeting where Mickey and Crun's meet, so we're very excited. I don't think they have a photographer. Yeah, there's no PhotoPass photographer, which kind of stinks. But
Wait. Hi.
Oh, coming in hot. Coming in hot. That's why I said coming in hot. You scared Duffy, I think.
Right, see him.
Cute. Do you guys want to hop in as
Yeah.
well? I can take one for you.
Great.
What do I do?
Hi, Duffy.
Duffy.
So that's the line for Duffy. It's up at Mickey and Friends, and it wasn't that bad. It was, but you get a lot of time with it, but there's no photo pass photographer. The app, and Guardians is a 15-minute wait, so we're gonna haul butt over there, because that's hopefully will stay that way. And it looks like Frozen is not running for the party, so we'll see. It was up earlier, but it doesn't look like it's up now.
Party bands.
I'll take a Mickey bar.
There you go.
Okay, that's fine. We'll share it. And you have Star-Lord and Gamora here. Oh, that's awesome. Hi.
Bro.
Blow
it up, Kimasabi.
Handshake is not.
Right?
Are you on some kind of mission?
Yeah.
Saving the galaxy? Oh, please, no gang signs. I'm kidding, throw it up. There you go. Bring it in.
Still saying 15 minutes. And we've
I have been learning so much more.
So the character lines, we've only seen two, Duffy and Star-Lord and Gamora, and they were both really short. I think also because there's no photo pass photographer. So since there's no photo pass photographer, maybe a lot of people aren't going, or maybe people don't know that they're there.
What have we done? I think we took work.
Is that the King Game?
The Big Bang! I see.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
Not been paying attention? Novelty! Link is we haven't been paid, but not for long. My world would have been
Ryder, it's a glitch!
Oh, they're back.
Oh, there we go! Okay, now it's silent.
Bring the music back low.
I know. So we did really good going to Cosmic Rewind first, because one, there's the line for Star-Lord and Gamora, and the line's long. The line is also now 35 minutes as opposed to 15. And when we did the first ride, it stopped midway ride. We were almost through the whole thing, but everybody else was like asking to ride again. So we asked to ride again, and we got back in line. Both time we got conga. But it was great. So we got to ride it twice, and it's only 10:40 or 10:45. So now we're gonna go to Test Track. Hopefully the line for Test Track's not too bad. Okay, so we went to Test Track and it is closed. And so it is 10:45. That is the reason why we are here to ride Test Track, because Ryder hasn't, well, none of us have ridden the new version, but that's his favorite ride. So hopefully it'll reopen. It's 10:45. This ends at 12:30. So hopefully it'll come back up. Frozen isn't showing up in the times, so we don't know if it's open. But he wants to skip the Grand Fiesta Tour. I know Miguel's over here somewhere, but I think he's not here right now, because there's a big sign that says Moonlight Magic. But yeah, so we're gonna walk over to Frozen, see if it says Miguel. He's right here. Hi, Miguel.
Hey, friend, you can come right this way.
Okay.
Do you play the drums? Do you play Gorilla Tag?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, you play, yes.
So Frozen is down, Test Track is down, Spaceship Earth was down, it's back up. We walked over to Remy, and I thought, okay, we'll get to watch the fireworks, which was at 11, while we walk over to Remy. It's 11:05, fireworks still haven't started. So, hey, at least we didn't pay for the day. But really hoping Test Track comes back up, because Ryder's gonna be very disappointed if it doesn't. The app is saying that Remy's is only a 5-minute wait, so let's hope that. Probably because it's all the way back here by itself, and then plus the fireworks are supposed to start. And I've never seen this area so empty. It's so empty. So nice. Ryder, look how empty it is. This is awesome. This is awesome. Walked right on. Choose which one we get to go on. And we just walked right on. This is awesome. Oh!
Oh, God. I hate these chairs.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous êtes toujours les bienvenus chez
So Remy's was literally a walk-on. Like they just said like pick whichever one you wanted. So we got our own rut, and we got out, and obviously the fireworks had just finished because everybody's coming. So we missed the fireworks because it was late, and yeah, and it was short. I think it was maybe 5 minutes. So now we're gonna head back to test track, and it's still down, but we're gonna head that way, and hopefully it'll come back up. So we'll see. There is Marie from the Aristocrats. So test track is still down, and it doesn't sound like they're even testing it, so it doesn't sound really good. Came over here, we're waiting, and now they're starting to test it. They just made an announcement that they're testing it. So we're gonna, it's up to Ryder what he wants to do, if he wants to ride mission space or if he wants to wait. How to train. Ryder! We're the first ones! We're the first ones! We're the first ones!
Actually, this looks sick.
It does.
Just be yourself. We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Whoa!
Let's try another one. That looks good with the third row.
Watch out! Our road might have had some twists. Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
So we are back at the resort. Test track was ended up, we rode it once, we were the first people in line, went through the whole queue, and then we were like, okay, Ryder, it's 12 o'clock, what do you want to do? Do you want to go ride test track again, or do you want to ride something else? And he wanted to ride test track again. At that point, it said 20 minutes, it was actually a 35-minute wait. And so we got out, like, I think we got on the ride at 12:35, and the line was still pretty long. So it was great, like it was fun to ride it. I really liked test track. I liked the new test track. I also liked Remy without the glasses. I thought it was great. Unfortunately, Frozen Ever After reopened today, but it was down. So it was down the entire party. So it didn't even show up on the app, which kind of sucked, but whatever, it wasn't a big deal. Test track was the main thing, and we got to ride it twice. We got to ride Guardians twice, which wasn't really the plan, which was great. So it was really a great night, and the best part is that we had 3 coupons left for snacks, and which is like, you know, you got 3 coupons per person, and it was really bothering my husband that he had 3 coupons that we didn't use. And so while we were leaving, there was like a pretzel stand that still had pretzels, and it was already like 12:45, 12:50, but they took the coupons and they were still giving out the pretzels, so we were still able to get them, which was great. So I think Ryder had like half of it, but that was it. But other than that, it was a great night. We hadn't been to a Moonlight Magic since 2022, so it's been 3.5 years. So it was great. We had a great time, great night, and there's my husband. He just parked the car. Would you have a good night?
Had a great night. I just parked far as hell though.
Yeah. So anyway, but it was a great night. Really happy we got to make it. Really glad that Ryder got to ride test track, because he was like, well, if there's no test track tonight, we're coming back tomorrow. And we're like, buddy, we don't have tickets. So fortunately, we got to ride it, and we got to ride it twice. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.